Hello and welcome back to Potter's RC Models. Previously, you saw us build the TT02, as you can see on the screen right now, but in this video, we will be testing the TT02 for the first time. As you can see, these tyres aren't the best. This is because they are the kit standard tyres. When it comes to racing, we will be using our proper tyres. These are just to have some fun with. Although this car is very fast, we're only using the TAMIYA TT02 motor. This is the end of the video. Leave your thoughts in the car down below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed.